Welcome to Aurora Chemistry for everyone. In this video, let us see how to draw Lewis structure for CO3 2- ion, carbonate ion. Whenever writing Lewis structure, you should remember two things in your mind. One is to write correct skeletal structure. The another one is octet rule. Octet rule means atoms combine with other atoms by gaining, by losing, or sharing the electrons, isn't it? They all do by keeping that 8 valence electrons in their valence shell. That means 8 valence electrons. So that is called octet rule. Okay, so these two things you should remember while drawing Lewis structure. Let us see that one mnemonics. A skeletal in the biology lab center count single, double, triple, octet, duplet, except expanded, deficient, odd guys in the classroom. Students, you may think that this mnemonics is little lengthy, but if you remember this mnemonics, you can solve any kind of Lewis structure for atoms, molecules, and polyatomic ions. Okay, so let us see that this all explain that different steps in Lewis structure. So let us see one by one. See, skeletal in the biology lab center. Here skeletal means first step is what? You should draw the skeletal structure. Then when you draw the skeletal structure, you should remember that in the center there should be a less electronegative atom. Then the third step is count valence electrons. After counting, the fourth step is draw single bond between all the atoms. After that, double or triple bond around the central atom. Then octet for highly electronegative atom. But in case of hydrogen, it is only duplet. But there are some exceptions are there. For expanded, sulfur, phosphorus, chlorine, bromine, they all are non-metals. They are in the third period. So after third period, there is a availability of d orbitals, isn't it? So they can expand. Expand means they can have more than 8 electrons in their valence shell. Then deficient, lithium, beryllium, boron, aluminium. They have valence electron less than 4. So they can have less than 8 valence electrons. Then the last step is odd electron guys in the classroom. That means odd electrons. Suppose if you count that valence electrons, then the number is odd. It means that what that the central atom can possess one odd electron. Okay, so these all are the steps. Using the steps, let us draw Lewis structure for carbonate ion. So CO3 2- ions. Carbonate ion, it is a polyatomic anion. So what is the first step? Draw the skeletal structure. Then when you draw the skeletal structure, in the second step, center should be less electronegative. So here carbon is less electronegative. So let us draw carbon in the center and 3 oxygen atoms. Let us draw around it. Then after that, count the valence electrons, isn't it? See, for carbon, what is the valence electrons of carbon? Atomic number of carbon is 6. So 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. So that means 4 valence electrons, isn't it? So only one carbon atom. So 1 into 4 plus, there are 3 oxygen atoms. The valence electrons in oxygen atom is 6. So 3 into 6. Here, see children, listen here, it is a polyatomic anion. Whenever anion is present, you should add the number of electron. But if it is cations, then what should you do? You should subtract this number. Okay, so now you should add 2. If you add 3, 6, so if you add, you will get 24 electrons. So the total number of valence electron is 24 valence electrons. Okay, come to this structure now. Then the next step is draw single bond. So let us draw single bond. Now after that double or triple bond, how do we know that? You know carbon, what is the valence electrons? 4 valence electrons. So let us draw 4 valence electrons side by. So it means what? That carbon can make 4 bond. Okay, there is no lone pair on carbon. So carbon can make 4 covalent bonds. Here already there are 3 bonds. So one more bond we can draw. So 4 bonds over. Now the next step is octet for highly electronegative atom. So here oxygen is highly electronegative atom. So let us see single bond. We already put that single bond. Single bond means there are 2 electrons, isn't it? 1 electron from oxygen and 1 electron from carbon is shared. So it produces single bond. So already 2 electrons are here. So 2, 4, 6, 8. The same way for this oxygen also let us draw. So 2, 4, 6, 8. Here already see 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, come to carbon now. 2, 4, 6, 8. So all atoms has now 8 electrons. That means octet rule is satisfied. Okay, here also 8 electrons. Okay, now this is like a first check. Now let us do our second check. How we can do the second check? Say total valence electron is 24. Let us count that 24 valence electrons are present or not. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. So 24 valence electrons also present. So our Lewis structure is correct. But this is a polyatomic ion, isn't it? So whenever polyatomic ions are there, you just put a bracket and that this number is there, isn't it? So that you should write on the topmost side. So this is the Lewis structure for carbonate ion. Thanks for watching.